up, y'all? It's your boy Jay Cruz, aka AUDIOZONE here at Extreme Raceway. As you can see behind me with Mrs. AUDIOZONE in the building. We got the Novacain in the building. We got my friend Ross, and we got the family here supporting here today, man. We got a very special guest, man.
Yeah,
hold on. No. We got a very special guest today. Hold on. We got a very special guest today, man. Y'all seen him on TV, live comedian, very famous worldwide, been all over the place. We got Mr. Chappelle in the building, man. This is David Chappelle, or a David Chappelle lookalike, I don't know. But he with us, man. He worked with Fab Performance. They're the guys who actually dealt with the Novacain and getting this whole new setup done. But let me fix this for my wife because she's seen that she's looking at the sky. But here we go. So long story short, they got the car here set up, man. We got the Novacain here at the track. We're gonna get it situated, dialed in, get it ready for the big event happening on April 10th at the Motorplex in Ennis, Texas, the Demonology Call-Out. So we'll be having the Novacain doing some racing out there for the first time, along with the AUDIOCAT, Bonsai Runner, Destroyer Cat, Mrs. AUDIOCAT, Audio Fox, the whole team, crew gonna be out there, man, having some fun at the big YouTuber Call-Out, man. So we're here today. What you want to tell everybody today in the camera?
Hey, we're here to tune the car, get it to go as fast as we can. Stefco to the front. Stefco, let's go.
Stefco is the name of the company, man. They're loaded out of Haltom City, or is it?
Yes, sir.
They're out of Haltom City, Texas. They're the ones who were referred to me. I took it to them. I'm not gonna lie, I like what I see. They're gonna do what they gotta do. So let's see what happens with the Novacain as she gets dialed in and gets situated the track and see what we can pull the numbers. Stay tuned for the rest of this video. Over here. This nigga here don't want to be on the damn camera, but you gotta say something to Steph. Come on, say. I'll edit this, man, but say something to the camera today.
You do good at this.
I'm a YouTuber.
You're perfect for it.
I'm a YouTuber. But this is Steph. She's very camera shy, guys. But the reason he don't want to be on the camera. I'm telling you, heads up. But the reason I put him on there, you got to give credit where credit's due. I talked to this guy on the phone. I felt comfortable with the conversation. I didn't trust the Novacain with anybody because she's not a newer, modern motor vehicle. She's an old school kind of car. Not everybody could do that or dial it in, man. He was referred to me by a friend of mine named Danny Dept, which was with me the track the last time y'all saw the Novacain at track. And even though he's not on the camera, I gotta say I love you, man. He's gonna be the one dealing with it, dialing it in, man. So stay tuned as you see what happened, but we owe it to him for putting his knowledge and getting this car going, man. So stay tuned and we get going with Novacain. All right, crew. So at this point, we're getting everything situated and ready. You can see that they're putting new plugs on it to make sure that everything proper, ready to go with her, man. But, you know, we're going to follow instructions, man. It's very important to follow instructions for those who know what they're doing and those who know your build. Miss AUDIOCAT, what you want to tell the camera today?
That I heard you say it's very important to follow instructions. So
Yeah, so I got to follow instructions. You hear her? She said that I said it's very important to follow instructions, so I better start following instructions, y'all. But you know, we're about to wrap it up here. Let me get this here, because you can see exactly what you're recording. You gotta see the screen and see what's in there. So we're about to wrap this up and get this car on the track and get it, you know, first mile hits, and then when we get everything rolling the right way, then we're gonna get a full hit and see what the best time we can hit extremely, get it ready for this event. So stay tuned, y'all. So we are in the lane, getting ready to go and launch the vehicle for the first time. We're gonna be doing some data assessment, so we're not gonna go full hit, but we're gonna get some hits on it to make sure. Yeah? Yo, the Ford Escort beat the drag car. That was crazy, y'all. But we're gonna get some data on it, but we're gonna get it to the end, turn it on, do the burnout, go to the end, and then from there we're gonna get the plugs out and see how everything's going, and see how the Novacain behaving, and see if we can finally get it up. Stay tuned. cars demand money. So this is my question that I have. If I take care of my home, I do everything for my wife, I take care of her, baby her, she's princess of the house. If I got a race car, if it needs $400 to get invested for the mechanic telling me that I need $400 for a better fuel system, we don't have no problem. We just blew a motor out, right? We blew a motor out. She gave me the block money, yes, I agree with that. But if I don't got a dance club, you don't see me a strip club, you don't see me a hooker, alcohol, and drugs, if I need $400 for my car, should I be able to get it? Now, thank you for the survey, I appreciate y'all so much. Thank you.
I didn't say yeah.
Hey, there's always a black sheep, always a black sheep. All right, Cruise Crew, so what we're doing now, we're actually changing it. We just put a set of spark plug. We're putting another set of spark plug so we can check how the burning is. So I can't tell what this means, but he does. So he's looking at see how everything burn, everything looking good so far. Now we're changing the fuel system a little bit, pressures and so on. We'll do a different kind of hit now to see where it's at with a new set of plugs. Be sure we get everything dialed in. But this time, I'm gonna go down the track, which will be a disadvantage because there's a lot more waiting for, but we're gonna do what we do and get it going, y'all, so stay tuned. All right, Cruise Crew, so now we got that first run done. We got the spark plug checked out, everything's looking good. We changed some of the timing. We also changed some of the fuel regulators to get the fuel sensors right. We're about to go do another hit and see what it does. This time I'm gonna run it out the track myself, see what we can do in the accomplish on the track. Stay tuned, second run on Novacain, full blown. So we are getting it going for the next hit. Let's see what she can pull out. We've played with a little bit with it. I can get more out of it, but there's a lot of dangers involved as far as getting the car too lifted up on the front end and other issues with the car. So we're keeping it where it's gonna be comfortable just enough to enjoy, and then we'll decide if we want to go bigger or not. But right now, we're gonna go give another hit, see what happens. Stay tuned.
gonna run. We're fixing to press.
Luckey up in the building, man. Damn. So basically they got a little thing going on. There's races y'all didn't get to see, but they just ran, and Boasted Luckey got him. Jackfabperformance the Mustang. But it is what it is, you're not part of the races. But now he wants to go running with the Novacain. Like I said, we're not really out here racing today, but he wants to do it. Let him do what he has to do. Boosted's like, you don't give a damn. You know what I'm saying? He's like, you know, we here having fun like it's about, man. So what do you got to say, Boosted?
We're going to do pro treat. I'm going to give him lane choice. And I have no idea what his car will run. We'll find out. Whatever he's running right now, I don't know. Yeah, well, I mean, if it was anything like what I just did to you, it's all in fun and everything.
Nah, man, you know what, guys? This is the thing that's funny, man. I met Boasted when he whooped my brother's car's ass. And long story short, he's just been a good guy since. We stay in contact every once in a while. He's a cool guy. I'm mad at him because he sold my replacement around. I told him here that I wanted it. I know I got busy and I didn't reach out to him, but I told you that was mine. We're not going to hold it. I know you got to make it friend. You got to make it money, but you know what I'm saying? It is what it is. We're about to let him go. Just want to run by Isaac. Go ahead, let him have some fun and see what happens at the end. He's doing really good in his car, man. I've been watching his channel too, man. He's a really cool guy. He's about to be handling his business on the kitty cat, and we're definitely going to be out there at Extreme. Yes. You know, we ain't part of the same crew. You know, we get united. You know, we got the cruise crew going on. You're either part of cruise crew or you're enemy of cruise crew. You choose. But we'll see what happens if we get out to Extreme and go watch them get busy. What do you say? It's all fun and games. If we line up, we line up. You know what? The thing is that come on, we come to this side. So listen, this is what happens, y'all. If we line up or we don't line up, it's not even the point, man. You know what? The thing is that we're still mopar, even though I got this car here. We're still mopar.
Hey, but that's still your car, though.
Thank you, man. I mean, I appreciate it, but I'm still mopar at heart. We might do a HELLCAT swap in there. Stay tuned, we'll see. But this is what's going on, man. We're just gonna go have some fun. He would Boasted Luckey. It's not a rivalry. We don't have that. You know what I'm saying? We're just having fun, man. But you know what? Like I said, he's been cool since day one. I like hanging out with him. He's a down-to-earth guy, and he drives a kitty, so we're on the same team.
So
stay tuned. So we can see what happens. Stay tuned, y'all.
Yeah. I mean, it's...
I'm not doing that. They're gonna smoke the Hellcat. Watch. Watch this. That's a Hellcat, man. Nitrous on. Let's go. Huh? That's Novacain, bro. You don't know her? It's my channel. That's my baby. Who? That's Hellcat the Supercharged. Yeah, so she did a good hit there. Let's see what happens, man. If we get it going. Novacain is doing good. Still got some more to go. But she's getting a lot better, so stay tuned. Alrighty, my crew. So at this point in time, we have done with the track. We've dialed in the car. She has a lot more to go as far as tuning goes. But the track is closing down. We can't keep on playing with it. We already changed spark plug multiple times. We're looking for this thing called timing marks, in which they show what the car's timing is able to hold. And right now she's close but not done. But I have to let it be this way until we get back to him again. He's leaving out of town, coming back on Thursday. He's a nationwide racer. He's done a great job, phenomenal job getting this Novacain dialed in. We still got a little bit more, which means we're a little bit faster, but what it is right now, we're gonna have fun and just take care of it and enjoy the time the way that she is, man. So at this point in time, I'm about to go home, man. I always want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for the subscriptions. Thank y'all for support on YouTube. We'll see you at this big event and just have a good time and enjoy ourselves. You know what I'm saying? If win or lose, it doesn't matter. Y'all got to see we raced the Boasted Luckey. It was a great time there too, but we're gonna do what we have to do, man, and continue here. So thank y'all. Y'all be good and God.